Let's move to chapter second, that is polynomials. What is polynomial? That means expression in this form like x square. Like we have studied these three expressions in our previous classes, that x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2x plus y square, and x minus y whole square, x square minus y square. These are polynomials, right? So polynomial in one variable. When one variable means that equation or the relation should contain only one letter, like x, y or z. X, y, z, these are variables because these denote the variables whose values could change, right? Like we have 1, 2, 3. These are fixed numbers. These are called constants. So variables means the value whose value could vary, could change, right? So we will like move to the one more important thing is that if some polynomial is having only, suppose we have only 3, right? 3 is also a polynomial. We can write it as 3 into x power 0. X power 0 is what? Any number to the power 0 is equals to 1. We know that. So 3 into 1 is equals to 3. So it is a this is a polynomial with degree 0, right? So if a polynomial is having only 1 degree, suppose x power 1, right? So suppose x, we can write 3x plus 4. This is what? This is a linear polynomial, right? Suppose 4x square plus 5x we have. This is what? Highest power is 2, x power 2. So this is called as quadratic. This is called as quadratic. Quadratic, quadratic polynomial. Similarly, if any polynomial is having power 3, highest power 3, suppose we have 7x cube plus 2x square plus 1. This is, in this highest power is 3, so this is known as cubic polynomial, right? So in this we will learn about, like, this is a polynomial with degree 0, degree 1. If the degree is 1, that means highest power of x is 1, it is known as linear. If the highest power is 2, then the polynomial is known as quadratic polynomial. If the highest power is 3, then it is known as cubic polynomial, right? So first question says that which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer, right? So we have to see this and we have to tell that whether this is a polynomial in one variable or not. You can easily see that here 4x square minus 3x plus 7, it is a polynomial, like quadratic polynomial, highest power is 2, because on and one variable, because only x is coming, so it is true, it is a polynomial. Second also y square plus root 2, it is a constant. Root 2 is a constant number. We will not see this, only we will see y square. So this is also a quadratic polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. Here we can see that 3 into root 2. Now root t is what? Root t is equals to t power 1 by 2, right? So in the power of t we are not getting a whole number, we are getting a fraction, so this is not a polynomial. Again, this is, in this we can see that y plus 2 by y. So if we solve with this, y plus 2 by y, this is what? Take LCM as y, it will be y square plus y. Here also the y is coming in the, like, or else we can write it as y plus 2 into y to the power minus 1, because y is in the denominator. Here also the power is not a whole number, right? It is a negative integer, so this is also not a polynomial. Here you can see that x is coming, y is coming, t is coming, so it is a polynomial in 3 variables, not one variable, right? So first question number first part is, first and second part are polynomials in one variable, fifth part is a polynomial in 3 variable, third and fourth are not polynomial because each of these exponents of each of these exponent of variable is not a whole number, right? The power is not a whole number. Here we have got 1 by 2, here we have got minus 1. So third and fourth are not polynomial in one variables. Fifth is also not a polynomial in one variable, it is a polynomial in 3 variable, right? So answer will be first and second. Second question, write the coefficient of x square in each of the followings. Coefficient of x square, don't see the other terms, only see the x square term. It is x square. How much x square comes with? 1 only. So coefficient of x square, it in this it will be 1. Here what it is, see only x square, remaining terms forget, it is minus times x square, that is minus 1. So for the first it is 1, second this is minus 1. In the third it is pi by 2 x square plus x. What we have to find? Coefficient of x square, so it will be pi by 2. So third answer will be pi by 2. In the fourth term you see that root 2x minus 1, here no term of x square is coming, right? So if and nothing is coming of x square, that means coefficient will be 0, right? So in the fourth term the coefficient of x square will be 0. Third question, it is the you will do in your homework. Fourth, write the degree of each of the following polynomials. We have to write the degree of these, right? So I will solve the first two, next two you will solve by your own. Degree, that means highest power of that, highest power we will have to see. In this polynomial you can see it is x cube, x square and x power 1, right? So highest power is 3, so its degree will be 3. Here we can see that it is a constant and here the power is 2, so highest power will be 2, right? And the remaining two you will do by your own. So fourth, first is answer is 3, second answer is 2. Last question, fifth. These are very small questions, these are like 1 or 2 marks only question, type question. Direct you can answer, write the answer of it. Classify the following as one number question, actually not 2 number, 1 number question only. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic. Linear, that means if the power of highest power of highest degree of x is 1. Quadratic means highest degree of x is 2. Cubic means highest degree of x or y as 3, right? So first one, you see that first one, what is the highest power of x is 2, that means it is quadratic. So first one is, first answer is quadratic, right? Second see, it is x power 1. X means x power 1 minus x power 3. X power 3, that means it is cubic. 3, that means cubic. So second one is cubic. And fourth one, you can see that fourth one, 1 plus x, highest power of x is 1. So if it is 1, x power 1, that means it is linear. So this is linear. So 3 parts I have solved, remaining parts you will solve it by your own. These are very straightforward questions, nothing you have to solve, only you have to answer it, right? So thank you.